Hello everyone. So today I want to share with you some serious hair related problems like alopecia, dandruff और scalp infection. So अगर आप भी इस प्रॉब्लम से सफरिंग कर रहे हो देन आपके लिए एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सॉल्यूशन है and solution is nature sure jonk oil. So a nature sure jonk oil 100% safe एंड नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट से बनी हुई है. सो नो हार्मफुल केमिकल्स. रेगुलर यूज ऑफ जोंक ऑयल nourishes scalps and hair shafts and keeps your hair stronger and younger, and it removes dandruff and fungus to hair problem at source. So let me tell you guys how to use it. So first you want nature sure jonk oil, then apply on your scalp and roots of your hair. Massage gently for 15 minutes with your fingertips. Leave it overnight and wash your hair with lukewarm water the next morning. So ये था आज का hair related problem का solution. So if you can buy these products, link in description. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty content and skincare content. See you in the next video guys. Bye.